Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This listing is for anyone looking for a property with great potential and excellent land space. Although about 80% complete, this unattached, spacious, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom house has a built-in garage surrounded by high sturdy fencing, making it easy to install remote gate for personal security. The incomplete work needed is rarely finishing as the house is grilled and enclosed. This is yours for the taking. The land area is 24,358 square feet. Please be reminded, Victoria Mutual Bank offers assistance with your mortgage assessment if needed. If you don't know about Wakefield, then know this. It is a developed and civilized community in the district of Bagwalk, St. Catherine, with moderate to large housing development, paved roads, easy and frequent access to transportation, electricity, telephone, pipe domestic water supplied, and within close proximity to commercial businesses, banks, and other social and commercial amenities necessary for living comfortable and convenient. Other features of this house includes mixed and ceramic tile, grilled, fully fenced, easy access to amenities, family oriented, paved road, quiet area, and level lot. The current price of this house is Jamaican 20 million or US $130,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.